Hello students. So as I told you, there's going to be a sub in class today, but I wanted to make sure that I explained what you would be doing so there would be no confusion. So first things first, you will go to your classroom and you will see in the stream here two assignments posted, and then you will also see a post of this video that you can access for directions for what is required of you for the day. I'll show you the drafts here. The first one's going to be the identity crash course video. That will be the first assignment you'll work on once the substitute has taken attendance, and then once you are completed with that, you will move on to the historical roots identity chart. So when you click on the crash course, you'll see the explanation I have given you. The sub will be handing out this hard copy of the crash course video sheet, and you will access this video. It's 8 minutes long, and you will watch the video and answer the questions at the same time. Once you have completed this, you will turn it into your Global Studies folder. Keep it in there until Monday, and I will go over it with you as a class on Monday. And I will show that actually to you. This is what the worksheet looks like. I've given you the directions up here. Always read the directions. Another link to the video, and here are the 5 questions. So what larger concept is Hank Green referring to when he states the question, who is who? The second one asks you to take a stance on what it means to consider your identity. The third one, define personal identity based on the video explanation. Then compare and contrast body theory and memory theory. And last but not least, answer the questions, why does identity matter? Why is it important for us to consider other identities, past identities? This relates to the historical roots PowerPoint that we completed in class on block day. The second post you'll see historical roots identity charts. The sub will also be handing out both of these assignments to you. The first one is just the directions to your personal chart along with some questions, and the second one is the worksheet in which you'll be creating your chart on. So I'll show those to you really quick. The first one here, okay, you are only going to be focusing on your personal chart. This chart we will be doing on Monday, so please do not pick an ancient person, civilization, or group. We will do that Monday. What I want you guys to do is design a chart that helps you identify your unique qualities and traits. You will begin writing your name in the center of the paper, which I will provide to you. Then from each line, write a word that describes you. This can include your gender, age, physical appearance, characteristics, hobbies, religion, ethnic group, neighborhood, interest, possessions, creations, choices of values, beliefs, and family and nation. You will be sharing this with the class, so make sure you include information that you are comfortable with sharing and exclude information that you want to remain private. You should have at least 10. I expect more than 10 defining qualities to describe who you are. Then answer the questions, how does your identity charts categories apply as a guide when creating identity charts for other people or groups? Select 5 items, so that could be interest, age, gender, family, and beliefs that you think are significant in shaping a person or group's identity. You must include those then when we do the historical chart on Monday. How is identity expressed differently in different contexts? So for instance, think about how you act in school versus how you act at home or with your family. So you only have to do this first part first. Do not do this until Monday. You will be creating your chart based on this sheet of paper, which the sub will hand out. You will create lines that come off of this little shape in the middle of the paper. You'll put your name here in the center, and around this shape will be your 10, at least your 10 defining qualities that make you who you are. On the back sheet of the paper, you'll see the historical chart. Again, this will be for Monday. Do not do it in class on Friday. This should take you the whole time. Everything will be posted on the classroom for you. Refer to this video if you have any questions. Feel free to email me or ask the substitute for clarifying explanations if you need them. Thank you, students. I'll see you on Monday.